door wasn't open, just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned your doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you?
What's up? Good morning, guys. My name is Zaiki. Today, it's a very special day. Aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng, something very, very far. So, it's already 4:42 a.m. in the morning. And aalis kami. Aalis kami ng mga 5:30. Ang flight namin is 9:30 or something. And prepare na kami and we're very so excited. So, kunti na pagkain namin ng umaga. It's giniling yung ulam. Dahil kailangan namin ubusin yung ulam namin dahil 1 week kami wala dito. So, may natira pang ulam. Gagawin namin ipalaman sa tinapay.
You attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? To keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was waiting. Oh Lord.
Yo guys, we're in airport and bumili pa ako ng belt saka tape dahil dami namin nakalimutan sa bahay. So ngayon check-in na kami. Mamaya na lang.
Where are you now that I need you?
Yay! Nakapag na kami, check-in. So Skydeck mo na ba? So, parado mo na. Store dito sa airport.
Where are you now that I need you?
Puro ana.
Kasi magbabas pa tayo papunta doon.
May sinabi ba?
Kaya nga 8:20 daw dadating yung bus. Kaya let's go. Isa sa rin bag.
Baby, any last word in Japan?
I won't see you anymore.
So, medyo giri-giri kami pero maano na kami. 24. Paalis na kami. See you in 1 week, Japan. This is it.
Oh, I'm loving you so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no. Who's taking you home? I'm loving you so. The way I used to love you, oh, I don't wanna know. Wasted. And the more I drink, the more I think about you. Oh, no, I can't take it. Baby, every place I go reminds me of you. Do you
dito sa China. Tapos, delay 1 hour. Japan. Tignan natin ang ganda ng airport nila.
Don't believe it. Even in my head, you're still in my bed. Maybe I'm just a fool. Do you think of me? But we
Ladies and gentlemen, you
Please welcome the telephone booth.
of China. Touch screen, baby.
It's not touchscreen.
Touch screen. Ang late ng ano. Pero touch screen. Touch screen in China. Vending machine. Damn. This look old. This look kinda shit. Ito gusto ko umiyagi. Laki ba yung tubig?
Wala naman tayong nawa.
Problemado kami ngayon sa yuan na pera nila. Wala kaming pera pang Beijing, pang yuan. Ni isang money exchanger, wala tayong nakita, no?
Nakalagay pa sa vending machine. Sale.
Sale. Damn. Baby, ano yung iniinom mo?
This is a cup
Cup?
for a water.
Huh? Hindi ba ito sa ihi? Baby, ako rin, ah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Parang ihi iniinom ko rin.
Walang lasa yung water.
Parang peke.
Pwede na siyang pagtsagaan.
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Beijing nga at lot of happened. Grabe nung nga ako nag check-in. I mean, ilalagay ko na yung mga gamit ko. Grabe, ang dami ko kasing gamit, dami ko mga may battery, may charger, mga camera, laptop, dala ko lahat. So, kailangan ko ilabas sa bag ko yung isa-isa kong ilalabas. So, siyempre tatanggalin ko rin yung mga hikaw ko, necklace, ganun. Grabe, lagi nila ang tagal kong i-check. Tagal niyang i-check yung bag ko kasi nga may mga natitira pa. Kaya, ganun. Grabe katamad. Tapos, pinaka-ayoko sa kanila, parang tamad yung mga worker dito. Katrabaho sila nagkikita nagsi-cellphone. Tapos walang manner, isa rin yun. Pero siguro dahil nga nakatira ako sa Japan, so sa Japan kasi polite sila and manner yung pag sa work. Dito wala, parang siguro American mga baby.
Yes.
Kaya kayo, pag magcha-China transport kayo, wag na. Mura nga pero ang sikip pa. Visit yan. May
Pero
petsa ka
maganda
na.
rin if you love traveling.
Yeah, if you
can
love traveling,
enjoy.
yes. True. Pero kung gusto nyo yung maarte kayo,
Like you.
like me, siguro, doon na kayo sa diretso na. So, yun lang. Okay. Oh, lamig! Naka-t-shirt ako. Damn it. First time in the bus. Walang upuan. Malapit lang naman. Sana. Mukhang na ganda. Pasakay na kami ng airplane. Pupunta ako Singapore. Hindi ko lang kami pupunta. Sa gitna kami ang daanan ng aeroplano. Kain dito. Maghahagdanan. Hindi nyo ba alam itong private plane to?
plane tayo, baby. Hindi nyo ba alam?
Wait, give me the passport.
Which one? Yeah, straight. Which one, right?
Okay. Sir, ayun, dalawa. Damn it. Wala na kami kasama. Mas maganda to. Private plane nga to. Hindi ka. Hey guys, we're in the plane and we're going to Singapore. And 6 hours. Fucking damn. 6 hours kami magbabiyahe. Ang tagal. So it's already, I think, 3. So siguro 4 na ngayon. And mga 9 na kami makakadarating ng Singapore. So, and salamat sa mga nanood. And I hope you like my first vlog. And I hope you like it. And